Hi, Simon here from Gold Coast Solar Power Solutions, and today we have a Omnik New Energy solar inverter. This is a 3 kilowatt model, and if we come up close, we can see it's in a startup procedure at the moment. We've got the countdown going on, the startup countdown, waiting 20, and it's counting down where it's trying to start up. And you can see the power produced right now is 0, and E today is energy produced today. It's produced 0 kilowatt hours today. So no power has been produced by the system at all today. So we're just waiting for it to count down at the moment and see what it comes up with. We can hear the relays trying to click in inside the inverter. And we've got the red fault light come up, and it's come up with fault 25 there. So obviously fault 25 isn't very helpful for you, so we've got to try and work out what fault 25 is. So if we press on one of the arrows on the screen here, you can see that at the moment error is flashing. If you scroll, press up or down arrows, it scrolls between through these three little displays at the bottom, three menu settings. There's info is flashing at the moment, so we press enter at the moment on info. That goes into everything which is happening right now, information. So at the moment it's on DC, CPU information, which you don't really need to worry about. The serial number of the device, the model, so 3000 TL, 3 kilowatt inverter here. The AC voltage details as well. So we'll go out of this at the moment, press escape, and we want to go to error. So we're just going to press the down button. We want the, at the moment we've got set flashing, keep going over. Then we got error flashing, so we're going to press enter on that. And you can see here we've got E25. E25 is a bit more information about it. It's relay 1 fault. So there's a problem with the relay inside the inverter. So if you're seeing that E25 error message on an Omnik inverter, it means there's a fault with the relay inside the inverter. Now, one thing you can try and do is try a reboot of the system. It may help. It's highly unlikely that it will, but it's worth a try. So with a system like this, what we have to do is follow the shutdown procedure to shut down the system, which is something like this. Turn off the solar supply main switch. That's located in your switchboard, or the inverter AC isolator if present. Here we've got one here, inverter AC isolator. So we're just going to throw that off there. And then it says turn off the PV ray DC isolator located at the inverter. So that's over here. And you can see the inverter's gone completely blank here. So with we'll try starting the system up again now. With a startup procedure, it's nowhere near as important as a shutdown procedure, just as long as you turn everything back on. So we're just going to throw the AC back on and then the DC. And we're going to see how it goes. So at the moment it's coming up, it just came up with fault 29 then, which I think just means that it's not detecting any power from the grid. And then we've got, as you can see here, it's going through a startup procedure again. We're counting down for 60 seconds. So if you come over here on the right hand side of the inverter, it's got the data plate for the inverter. You can see it's an Omnik Sol 3K. 3K stands for 3 kilowatt inverter. You can see the PAC NOM, which is power from AC output, nominal. The nominal power output is 3000 watts, so it's, like I said, 3 kilowatt inverter here. And down here we've got the serial number of the device as well. So if your inverter is coming up with a relay failure issue like this, it is something which should be covered under warranty. And there is a service email there as well, service@omnik-solar.com. You can see that right there. So you could try getting in contact with Omnik. Unfortunately, Omnik are not represented in Australia, so you are going to have to deal with the Chinese company in regards to an issue like this. So I wish you all the best with that. So here we've seen it's just try to restart, and it's come up with the error again, and now it's going through a reboot procedure again. So we just got to check that. Going back through the menu here, so we've got error flashing there, press enter, and yes, relay 1 fault again, so that hasn't fixed it. So if your Omnik inverter is coming up with an issue like this, you can certainly try talking to Omnik directly by that email, service@omnik omnik-solar.com, or if you just give up on that, we'd recommend replacing with a good quality replacement inverter such as a Frodius. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful for you.